You are a blogger, content creator, or run an online business that uses ConvertKit? Formidable Forms can now seamlessly connect to ConvertKit. First, if you don't have one already, create a form in ConvertKit. Don't worry, you don't need to use this form. Formidable is just going to map your form to this one. I'll just use the Charlotte template. Next, in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Formidable Forms to install and activate the ConvertKit add-on under the Add-ons section. Head back to ConvertKit and click on your profile, Settings, Advanced Settings, and copy the API secret key. Finally, go to the Formidable Forms global settings, ConvertKit, and paste in the key. Press Test Connection to see if it worked. Now in your form settings, under Actions and Notifications, you will see the new ConvertKit action available. Effortlessly capture new subscribers or update existing ones by mapping your Formidable Form fields to ConvertKit. You can also add subscribers to a specific email sequence when they submit your form. Remove tags based on form submission, or let people unsubscribe. Ready to elevate your email marketing? With our 14-day money-back guarantee, you can try Formidable Forms together with your ConvertKit setup with no risks attached.